welcome back. It's Justy, and today I am super excited. We are doing another unboxing, this time specifically of some really fun Stranger Things products that came from Target. I'm very stoked. I would like to thank my personal enabler, Nick's Nerd Cave on Instagram, who takes pictures of all the Steve Harrington stuff he finds and then tells me where I can find it so I can also buy it. So these pillows are completely his fault. I would go follow him if you love Steve Harrington because he is a phenomenal Steve Harrington. So again, thank you for allowing me to have this lovely product. So here's the box. I did have to open the top as usual when I pick things up from my American Postal Service thing because they want to make sure I know what's actually coming into the country, which is valid. But I haven't actually looked inside, so this is going to be a new experience for all of us. I would like to say that, like, Amazon shipping's got nothing on Target shipping. It said it would take 2 days to get to where my postal service was, which was true, but the day of, I got an email at like 7:30 in the morning that said, hey, everything's out, it's shipped off, you should get it soon, and I was like, cool. 10:30 rolls around and they're like, hey, your stuff's arrived, and I was like, what? That was like 2 hours, or 3, I guess, but still. So I don't know if their shipping is just that good, or if maybe they didn't tell me that they shipped it out sooner than what the email said, so it seems like everything's coming real quick. Either way, I was happy, so thank you, Target shipping. I'm sure shipping to Canada is probably not the same quality experience, especially considering that it added an extra $50 in shipping and like duty taxes if I wanted to ship it up here, which is obscene. Target, this is why you failed in Canada. No, that's probably not the specific reason, but you get the point. So I definitely will not be ordering Target into Canada. I'll tell you that right now. That's the decision that I made when Pawn purchased these. But I will definitely order it into my shipping service. Okay, I talked long enough about shipping, I guess. I don't know, I'm very excited. I just want to open this. So let's get going. Another note, Target, your boxes are pretty cute. Like, there's a lot going on here. I like this. There's the little Target dog. Oh my god, that's really cute. Yeah, I am a fan of the box. Okay, let's open this up. Can you guys guess what I got? Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, let's look at these one at a time. So the first pillow is Mr. Steve Harrington in his Scoops Ahoy uniform, a primo look. Although I am sad that like we didn't get a chance to see him in like any other 80s aesthetic summer outfits like we did with everybody else. So that was like a downside for me, but I still love this uniform. I mean, obviously I've made it and I wear it all the time. I should love it. So it's got him on one side, the moon and his name, and actually the trim as well, all kind of shimmer. It's like a iron-on, I don't know what this is called, but it shimmers. He and the rest of the background are not shimmery. It's pretty soft as far as a pillow goes. Like, I would not have a problem using this, like, not in a bed. It's obviously not a bed pillow. It's a sofa pillow, so sorry to my roommates. But it's a good. He's got some good fluff in there. The other side is black. Nothing special. I really didn't expect anything. I'm pretty sure the picture tells you that anyway. So you get the Stranger Things Netflix tag that all their stuff is coming with these days. Apparently not for use of children ages 3 and younger. So if you're under 3, you're not allowed to cuddle up to Steve Harrington. Sorry. I'll make the rules. This is a really fun pillow. I'm so excited for this stupid thing. I love it. I can't believe I bought a Steve Harrington pillow. I mean, I can. It's very me, but oh my god. Our second pillow, still Steve Harrington related, but not his face on it. Is a Scoops Ahoy ice cream parlor pillow. Oh my god. I can't believe they opened up a Scoops Ahoy in California and I can't go. But I suppose this will just have to make me feel better about that loss. So it's again the Scoops Ahoy, the ice cream parlor, and all the gold circles are all once again a shimmery, iron-on-y, whatever material. The anchor, I almost forgot what the word for this is like embroidered on. It's the only part that's embroidered, so that's kind of like a weird decision to me, but whatever. This is all just the regular pillow material. The back is a dark blue instead of a black, which makes sense. Fits this aesthetic a lot better. And you get the Stranger Things tag with, once again, the same warning. So again, don't be 3 years old if you want this. It's got like the same level of fluff. Still a comfy pillow. Once again, not one I would put in my bed because it's not what they're for. But they're good comfy pillows that I'm sure leaning up against on the couch would be marvelous. I'm so happy. These are so stupid and I love them. I don't know if you could tell, but I really like Steve Harrington. I really like him in his Scoops Ahoy uniform, and I really like season 3 of Stranger Things. I'm not going to talk about it because I'm sure there's people who still haven't seen all of it and I don't want to spoil, but oh, was I 99.9% a happy camper with season 3. And really that's it. This was a short little unboxing video type thing. I was just really excited about these pillows and wanted to share. I definitely feel like I need the rest of the Stranger Things collection from Target. There was a Scoops Ahoy towel that I resisted, but now I just feel like I need it to go hit the pillow. Please help me. Let me know if you've bought anything from the Stranger Things collections that are out right now and tell me what it is. And let me know who your favorite Stranger Things character is. That's very important too. We can guess who mine is. Alright, thank you so much for watching, everybody. I am so happy you joined me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!